Hello friends, here we are starting previous year question of MEC 103 that is based on linear programming problem. Let's see the question. Here our question is, we have to solve the following linear programming problem. Maximize y is equals to 45x1 plus 55x2 subject to 6x1 plus 4x2 is less than equal to 120. 3x1 plus 10x2 is less than equal to 180 and x1 and x2 must be greater than or equal to 0. Let's proceed to the solution. How to solve it? So friends, as we have started in the previous video, first of all we have to remove the sign of inequality. So how to remove the sign of inequality? Here we can see that our first equation is 6x1 plus 4x2 is less than or equal to 120. We will remove the sign of inequality and put the sign of equal. So it will become 6x1 plus 4x2 is equals to 120. In the same way, for second equation, if you see, the equation is 3x1 plus 10x2 is less than equal to 180. So we can write it as 3x1 plus 10x2 is equals to 180. Now we have to find out the values of x1 and x2. Wait. So let's see how to do it. Here we go. Now here x1 and x2 values. If we put x1 is equals to 0, then x2 will be 120 by 4, that is 30. And if we put x2 is equals to 0, then x1 will be 20. Now in the second equation, if we see the values of x1 and x2, how it will look. Let's see x1 and x2. If we put x1 is equals to 0, then x2 is equals to 18. And if we put x2 is equals to 0, x1 is equals to 60. I hope आपको यहाँ तक कोई doubt नहीं होगा. Now we move further. We have to plot these values on the graph. So first of all we have to note the values here. Let's do it fast. x1 and x2, 0, 30, 20 and 0. In the same way for another equation we'll go x1, x2, it's 0, it's 18, it's 0 and it's 60. So now let's proceed for the graph. How to make the graph? Here. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. I'll show you final graph properly also. So we'll write here 0. And what values we need to take here? We can take a gap of 10, 10, 10, 20, 2. So in the same way we can write here like this we can write. Now we have to put the plot the points. x2 is equals to 30 and x1 is equals to 20. Here x1 and here x2. So we'll join these two lines. वो थोड़ा सा हिल गया, आप उसको करेक्ट कर लीजिएगा. And in the second equation we have x1 is equals to 60 and x2 is equals to 18. 18 is somewhere here we can say. So now we have to join these 2 points like this. We can write that this one is for equation 1 and this one is for equation 2. You can write the whole equation as well. That will be better. Now we have to find the sign of find the area of visibility. Which area is visible? So as we have done before also, we will put x1 and x2 is equals to 0 in both the equations. So if we write 6x1 plus 4x2 is less than or equal to 120, so we will say 0 plus 0. We are putting 0 in the place of x1 and x2 both. So 0 plus 0 is less than equal to 120. This is true because 0 is less than 120. So whenever we are having a true case, so in true case our feasible region is towards the origin. Let's see how. I am showing you towards the region, like this, towards the origin. And in the same way, in first equation also it is towards the origin. So now if we go for the common region, which region is common among the both? So we will get the region this. This region is common. So now we have to work with this region only. So let's see how we will proceed further. Now the thing that is important is these 4 points. This, and this. We have to work with these 4 points. Let's see how. Let's mark these points as A, P, C, T. Further we will go to the graph. Now suppose, सॉरी ये थोड़ा मेसी हो गया है बट आप लोगों को क्लियर हो जाएगा. जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट. दिस पॉइंट नेम इट एज A, name it as B, name it as C, and this is D. Okay, so now we know that point A is 0, 18 and point B is 0, 0. Point C is 20, 0. So and point D, we don't know the point D. So let's write first of all that what is the point A, B, C, D. This is 0, 18, this is 0, 0, this is 20 and 0. And about point D, what about point D? How to get point D? So guys, as we can see that point D is the intersection of 2 lines, like we have drawn the graph like this, and here we have to find this point. This is the intersection of both the lines. So to get this point we have to solve both the equations. We can use any method like substitution method, elimination method. We can use any of the above. So let's proceed fastly. Now 6x1 plus 4x2 is equals to 120. 3x1 plus 10x2 is equals to 180. So using elimination method we can do this thing. Like this. Now using both the equations, we will write equation 1 also here. Now you know how to solve this like this. 20 minus 4. 6 minus 2 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. So x2 will be equal to 240 by 16. We can solve it here down. Like this. For x1 we can take any equation like 6x1 plus 4x2 is equals to 120. So we'll put the value of x2 here. So we will get x1 is equals to 10. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा मैंने फास्ट इसलिए करा है, आपको ये पहले से आता भी होगा कि किस से हम दो इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करते हैं। तो इस तरीके से जो हमें पॉइंट है, जो हमारा डी पॉइंट जिसको हम सर्च आउट कर रहे थे, वो आ जाता है हमारा 10 और 15। सो चलिए हम वहाँ पर अपने पास मेंशन कर लेते हैं कि हमारा जो डी पॉइंट है वो है 10, 15। T is 10 and 15. And now to find the optimal solution, we have to find the optimal solution. So what we need to do for the optimal solution, let me tell you, just give me a minute. Now our equation is we have to maximize y is equals to 45x1 plus 55x2. So we will put the values one by one. Like in this equation, we will put the values of x1 and x2 one by one. So for point A, if we put the value of x1 and x2 is equals to 0 and 18. So आप लोग ये, मैं फटाफट से आप इसे सॉल्व करते रहिए, मैं आपके लिए स्पेस रख रही हूँ. Just keep on solving this. Like this. या जब तक आप सॉल्व करते रहिए. 45, 10 plus 15, 15. So now here we have to solve 55 multiplied by 18. Yeah, so it will be 990 and this will be 0 and this will be 900 and this will be just wait. Okay, so it will be 675. Sorry, I have written it 15, so this is wrong. We will erase it. Sorry guys, this is 55. This is 55 and with this our answer get changed. This will become I guess 1275. Yeah, this will become 1275. So as we can see that we had to maximize y. So we can see the maximum value of y is this 1275. So this will be our optimum values of x and y, x1 and x2. So we get let me write here, we get x1 is equals to 10 and x2 is equals to 15 as optimal values of x1 and x2. So guys, I am presenting here the whole solution. You can take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write the whole solution also. Just keep on going like this. This is the next slide. Here I have drawn the graph and write on the equations. And then according to the sign of inequality, we see the feasible region for first equation and then for second equation, and then the common feasible region is this. We have points A, B, C, D. Then we find the values of the point that is remaining. Here it is point C. In the example when I explained it was D. So वो आप देख लीजिएगा. यहाँ पर आपको फुल फ्लेज क्वेश्चन मिल रहा है कि किस तरीके से आपको इसको सॉल्व करना है, किस तरीके से आपको इसे प्रेजेंट करना है. So value of y will be maximum at point C, that is at x1 is equals to 10 and x2 is equals to 15. So thank you guys. I hope आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. इस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखें और अगर आपको चैनल पसंद आता है तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक करें और शेयर करना ना भूलिए. थैंक यू सो मच.